Add candle countdown timer in MetaTrader 5 Mobile 2026 guide. Are you tired of guessing when the next candle will close on your charts? In this video, I'll show you how to get a candle countdown timer on MT5 Mobile and the best working methods. Let's get started. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone and make sure it's updated. Important truth. First, MT5 Mobile does not have a built-in candle countdown timer, but don't worry, there are smart workarounds. Method 1. Use crosshair tool, basic method. Open any chart, tap the screen and select the crosshair icon. Move it to the latest candle. You'll see the candle's start time, which helps you estimate when it will close based on your time frame. Method 2. Use MT5 Web version, better option. Open MT5 Web in your mobile browser. The web version supports more indicators, including candle timers. This is one of the easiest ways to get a real countdown. Method 3. Use desktop remote access. Install a candle timer indicator on MT5 desktop. Then use apps like AnyDesk, Chrome Remote Desktop Access your desktop from your phone and see the timer live. Method 4. Check your broker app. Some brokers offer custom MT5 versions with built-in timers, extra tools. Contact your broker and ask. Pro tip, if you trade short time frames like scalping, using MT5 Web or desktop is the most accurate solution. And that's it! Now you know how to get a candle countdown timer on MT5 Mobile in 2026. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.